Log into Weebly and insert username, not email. And for your password, do BMS plus student ID, all caps.
After it loads, press the website button and then press Edit Site.
Then press the folded page on the top right corner.
Then press the plus button on the top left corner.
After that, add a name for your page. Let's call this page Math.
Then, instead of no header, press Header. Then press Save. To organize your pages, press the folded page and then the button with 3 lines and an arrow. Then scroll down and all your pages will appear.
Also make sure to have a 6th grade page, so you can add all the classes you had in 6th grade into one 6th grade page by indenting like so.
And if you want, you can put your 4 core classes in the top and then your electives in the bottom. Then press Done.
Finally, press Preview and Publish so all of the things you change will be saved.